Well, happy Tuesday evening. And the KNOX is recapped, all but this one. Oh boy, what happened? Well, I'll tell you what happened was I made a mistake. I do make them, and I'm not afraid to admit it. I failed to order a 60 microfarad by 150 volt cap for that one. So I rush ordered it today. Should see it hopefully in 2 days. The shipping cost more than the cap, but hey, I am to please. So as you can see, all of these caps have been replaced. If you look at the prior video, yeah. The KNOX, what is it called? A trem tone. Yeah. There's the front end of this. Kind of interesting. They use these recessed screw or nuts to hold the control panel on here, and there's only 2 of them. These 2 don't get them, so there's a nut on this one. Sorry, a nut on that one and a nut on that one. Interesting. And the output jacks. That was one more thing that I failed to say today. Sorry about the light. Is that this was disconnected, the input jack, and let's see, or the input jacks and the foot switch for the tremolo, which go there. Boom. Those are actually okay. I just removed them so I could get the chassis down on my bench down here and work on it. Woo, and these cutters. Again, I got these at Hobby Habit, I believe, and they are amazing. They are doing the job that I asked them to do. A very narrow trimmer so I can get in there and get at a little teeny piece of wire someplace way up in there. Yeah, you know. I've got a little bit of foam that I need to replace on the front edge of this. That was all... you can see a little bit of it remaining inside here, and there's a little bit right there. It looks like they used a little bit of that foam to kind of quiet the chassis and to hold it together, keep it from rattling, possibly. And I have left the main filter cap and removed it from the circuit, left the ground attached, blah, 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 you know. All the tricks of the trade. Oh, wow. Now, question might be, which one is which? I'd tell you, but I'd have to kill you. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. Peace.